the morning.
Yeah.
For preparing the breakfast and the lunch to all the students who are going to school this morning.
Yeah.
And likewise,
Like.
to all the daddy who
Oh.
help the mother in this morning.
Okay.
Right,
For their preparation for their students, kids.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you to the daddy wake up the mama, or thank you to the mama wake up the dada
Yeah.
for their work today, because the weather is unfavorable due to connectivity of the coolness in our body to saturate how we are this morning.
Yeah.
Last night in the afternoon, the weather is favorable enough to our hemoglobin and white blood cell.
Yeah.
Now we are coming from the AM.
Yeah.
We reach a place where the velocity of the coolness
Yeah.
is on high in the 360 degrees Celsius in
Yeah.
the thermometer.
I don't know me to kunoiko.
Yeah.
Last night I finished grog. I wake up, mama.
Wake up, mama,
Yo kaya mesa kuah. Kita na turang
Yeah.
Dono message kita na turang
To all the
Emang
dada.
tentang lagi pangan reciru cuma meram ni sama
Alright.
tenenggon.
Oh, to all the dada, never trespass your hand to mama while you are after grogging.
Right, dono mana
Yeah.
naka.
This is based on true story where people are coming back from grogging and wake up mama while they are in sleep in a peace mood.
That's the law, eh?
That's the law, against the law of relaxing.
Yeah,
You
Dina.
need to sleep in the 8 hours in the night.
Yeah.
So
Right.
if you are cutting the cost of time while sleeping, while the mama is
Cost of
sleeping, you are connect your body with a saturation of cerebellum in your brain.
Okay, some of the dadas,
Yeah.
when after grog, like during grog,
Yeah.
they are the main fella.
Main fella.
Doing
Yeah.
this, doing that,
Yeah.
doing
Yeah.
the talanoa,
Yeah.
Yeah.
like the Nortusta.
Right.
While the dada reach home,
Ah.
he's like one mene fella.
Dada,
Everything mama.
happy birthday, Jonathan Nikoro.
Iyo.
Mama is the main fella in the family, like the services.
Iyo.
She is the one who wake up first early in the morning, look after us.
Yeah.
Then they are the last one. They sleep, they prepared and everything.
Yeah.
And who are we to come there to wake them up
Yeah.
when they are asleep in the mode?
Yeah.
And we are there to come.
Okay.
And whatever we do,
Yeah.
we are disturbing their situation.
Dinasar, tapa spolta saran romode. Okay, tapa no message by ramamas, kaya baka saan daw buki viketsinga o dada.
Take one 6-inch nail and point to the door.
Yeah.
And a screwdriver at the back to cover them. Let them enjoy their life and they come again
Hey,
in
it's
the
cold
life.
at night, the Messi.
Huh?
Dada will get hooked.
Why you dada you go home? Who give you the permission to go?
Yeah.
Come.
Speaking from experience, Gorotande.
Yeah.
And on behalf of the dada, we are the dada.
Yeah.
This dada here.
Yeah.
This one different approach.
Yeah.
This one the ear.
Yeah.
Like the word the kalabo.
Right.
Doing this see.
When you see the rat, when they smell something from our leg,
Yeah.
they want to bite it. But come.
Okay. Different dada,
Okay.
different style.
Okay. Oh.
Tell us how many style dada that dada used to do.
Dada is a style. There are different technique and style of
Depending on what mama wants.
Yeah.
Right.
mama. Some of the mama they are very relaxing mama.
Yeah.
Erndo Winkarabi, when the dada come, they
Yeah.
prepare their food when they
Understanding
come.
the
Understanding.
mama. Yeah.
Some of them, if they want you to come in the afternoon, you prepare for the food.
Yeah.
You go,
Yeah.
dada, then you come back. They don't want to wake up. Just prepare your own food.
Yeah.
Some of our dada, some of us dada, we want the hot food.
Yeah.
So when we come back, when our food is cold,
Yeah.
we want to hot the food.
Yeah, what we can do is, suppose you you ask the boys, how many taki left? So 10 bowls left. You stand up, go to the house, bring the kuro, and gamu to the kuro.
Truce.
But then the food will be hot.
That's one thing, eh?
Yeah.
If we're drinking grog, we bring our own food. We put into our one pot, eh?
Yeah.
Dalaku tu na grog, dalaku tu na bakata kakana.
Right.
Don't let the mama there, spoil their dreams, spoil their day.
Dinasar.
Some of us when you come there, minta sa them batu yani. And one of the coming there. Nay,
Iya.
Nalevu.
Iya.
Please, can you come home? Can you come, Talevu? Of course, I'll go to Gonduru. And then in that formula of life, you are costing them the lightning sickness of them. Because people want to sleep in a formal manner.
Because some of the mama, while they're sleeping, and you wake up them in the midnight,
Yeah.
They'll,
See.
when they wake up, they're
Sometimes when we leave the house, Mama said, what time? You say 11,
All right.
11 o'clock.
Okay.
But from that 11, 3 o'clock in the morning, and you come and
Yeah.
wake up Mama.
Oh, yeah.
That's a different story
And
altogether.
another thing.
Yeah.
Because you are outside, you are the last one, you leave the house and you go and go rogging.
Yeah.
And you lock the door from outside.
Yeah.
This is going to wake the daddy.
Message.
Message. This is a message to all the daddy.
Yeah.
Please, don't lock the door from outside.
Right.
Because somebody from outside can enter a house, cause trouble in your house.
Right. Dina,
Yeah.
sir. Yeah.
Because children are there,
Yeah, Dina.
mama are there,
Yeah.
they are alone there.
Nanda yaw tu ilomea.
Our costing is
Yeah.
there.
Right.
So
right.
everything is there. You need to be talk to your mama.
Yeah.
Pinakala kemelo kata kamelo mo mama.
Right. Benar mo kadi mabirto na mo friend ningo nengo na mama. No la ko le bakat katara katalakim.
Yeah, yes.
that's true.
Iyo.
Don't worry about the words. They're coming from your friends.
Iyo.
But that's a costing words.
Yeah.
Now, they are laughing words.
Yeah.
Laughing word, not
You need
real word,
you need to be sometime help the mama.
Yeah.
Don't let the mama worry about you all the time.
Iya, Dina, sir.
Eh?
Iya.
Sometime when you go grogging or whatever, when you go, then you come. If the mama is there,
Yeah.
help you. If the mama is sleeping, respect.
Iya.
Respect the children. Don't look like this.
Iya.
They're sleeping.
Because some of the dada, when they come back and the mama don't want to wake up, the dada always dundru.
Hey.
Prepare his own food.
Okay.
Na puno may kanakin na imbini karga may tayo tuya sa mama.
Hey.
Why?
Respect your food.
O sa kami batang diri tayo tuno ko na village may andar mo mama.
Hey, binawala punjas and
Apa kasi mo dolati?
Iya.
Dada samu.
Ujala timbiu.
Boleh tama-tama boleh masih kumai. Seren na Moses tu ko sa kaingges na panikik.
Hey.
Dong pula. And na BTFM.
Na pamimbi chubi kenda itoki, tomato chubi kenda ya.
Yeah.
Ya, dagay pa kasama ta karena nanda pasu eh. Kita sama imbula pimbalwa itu eh.
Iya.
Oira. Gaya kabi nga sara lositok.
Lo stok.
Gacira kan ko sara song-song.
Daw suka mo yo turang na taka.
Iyo.
Gento ya me bali me gento me indami to me bakateng.
Iyo.
Dito ko na kenay timbi.
Iya, mas biloci.
Biloci.
Iya, robita lotu.
Kata rutang mo to sa misal mo mara manang.
Bakan dua.
Iyo.
Bakan dua.
Dulu kan dulu itu urna mara masarang urna so
Iyo.
to leituki.
Cucu kan tuh sa roir na nanda pasu koran daw ngunang kon kantina.
Iyo.
Daw cucu sini bali.
Iya.
Ako yung ngunang kon taon duwa rin tol katum marital tumango tumba. Ngunang kon na rin ni monici kina bawa singa tambo. Monici kina monici.
Iyo.
Kan do mata cucu tula kaloko pana kaloko.
O kwa kidi.
Kaya lupena
Ay.
sono no friend do rakia na dola kaya tadong tung.
Begitu do.
Iyo kaya sa cucu sini bali. Ya don turang dong unu. Ya cucu so da ke suke bango sare antan biluci
So,
da poch.
One
Dendre
bag.
bakal dulu rai dintuan na pa so korte ko na fame.
Iyo.
Mengunengo na meda por mata se bugile bundang na meda me pastanga tini.
Right.
Dendre
Dina.
bakal dulu rindu.
Iya. So kami minta buli dibira.
Dina sar.
Kembali beta ina ke baka nomu iko mo nomu job ya. Ke sa suka no tanma kami di kuasa to mata chuwa na lingun ko tani. Suka di bango. Ito na biology.
Right.
Sa lo se sara mena kon rubita lotok.
Ah.
Piso manda.
Dina sar.
Alam mo sa lang
Kasi
to na
nga,
friends.
tuki tuman tabi ko na titi eh.
Ha?
Na titi ko na...
Sabutal lo no ligur.
Baru sih.
Waru si may Buddha. Saya nga kaya titi, kana kanino mata.
Ya titi ni. Iya.
Iya, may ngunu tumanda okay, dai not only for the car, dela ko la kota ta sabi na kato sabi ko tunay men asitu ni kilok kana ngunu niyan ko na sabi na kato misi.
Gurisa na.
Sabi taman tanay men na meron ni kilok kana testing ko yung ngunu duatan.
Iya dina sar.
Come back home.
Iya dina sar.
Iyo.
Dina sar ani tuk tuk bikada na tata dan tol lagi baso sat kir na maramatina. Ni samo de ker boleh mabisut tak na style ya.
Iya.
Labi romantan na nana mermode, meramaruta ka tu na norbodengu. Kentan talaga yani dali va katatar na kentan takana o chan dali mode ni babenak. Santo niya.
Right, vinabale Vinod Patel, wat kay Punjes, like heart, siya takan man talay, binamata binani ko na ito kani,